homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Hoffman Estates, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, Mundelein, Lake Zurich, and Rolling Meadows around 7:35 p.m. Mount Prospect, Buffalo Grove, Vernon Hills, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Wooddale, and Round Lake Park around 7:40 p.m. Chicago, Waukegan, Des Plaines, Wheeling, Bentonville,
This could be for Blossom.
Heights, and Lincolnshire around 7:45 p.m.
I think it's for Blossom.
O'Hare Airport, Northbrook, North Chicago, Lake Forest, Deerfield, Rosemont, Green Oaks, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn around 7:50 p.m. Home zones, tornado warning. 1 and 2. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I was late, but at least I got it.